as I transform one large box into 2 small boxes. Sweet. So when traveling, we might not always have the resources we need in a pinch. So when it comes to gift giving and you need a box, but the box that you have is too large, I learned this neat trick on how to make it smaller. This super large box, I needed about half the size. The first step is to fold it to this edge. Crease it well, and then fold it to this edge. Oh, I see I have a damaged box. That's all right, it's still usable. And crease this edge. Then you just take your scissors and cut along these lines on both sides. So you already have your creases here. You take and close up your box, and now you have a much smaller box. Win-win. Another bonus is, since there's a top and a bottom to a large box, out of one box, I can make 2 boxes, both with a lid and a bottom.